What's going on, fellow fixers? Welcome to I Am a Fixer. I'm Jeremy, and this is a channel all about helping you fix and maintain your home so you can help others do the same. Today's video is a little bit different because I told you a while back that my parents are staying in their RV until they move back to Pennsylvania. Well, their air conditioner stopped working. And if you know anything about Florida, it is hot and miserable without air conditioning. So I'm pretty sure it's the fan. We're going to get up here. We ordered a new fan. We're going to pull apart the AC and see what we can figure out. That's the original fixer right there. Hey guys. Alright, so this is actually the part that we're going to replace, and notice it just connects to the fan over here. It's hard, it's tight, it doesn't spin freely. So we're going to replace this part here. Now we're probably going to have to take this top piece off so that we can get to the wires, to disconnect the wires. And of course we disconnected power to this because electric. Warning, disconnect power supply before removal of cover. Alright, so we took this top panel off, but we didn't need to. There's actually a plate right here we can remove, and that'll get us access to the wiring. Alright, so in order to get this motor replaced, there's an Allen key right here that we can loosen up, and this fan will come off. And on the inside here, there's another fan that we'll have to get this one off first. This is a plastic fan, and it was stuck on there good, rusted on, so we used pliers to hit the center of the fan so we didn't end up breaking it. Alright, so the issue that we're having is that in order to get this fan off back here, we've got to get more length on the wires, and so we were planning on just disconnecting them, taking a picture to see where they were all attached, but one of the wires is connected here, which goes through and back into another power strip in here. So we're probably just going to go ahead and clip this zip tie to give us more room to work, and then we'll figure out the wiring here in a minute.
Oh, there you go. So you got about 3/4 of an inch from the shaft to here.
To take note of how far from the end of the shaft the fan is when you take it off, so that you can put it on in that same direction so that it blows in the same way. On this one there's an Allen wrench right here. Hey cowboy.
Hey.
What you doing?
Just doing this.
Working on that?
Yep.
Alright, now that we got this off, there's a piece of foam here that will have to come off, and a piece of plastic, and it's attached with nuts underneath this plastic. Anytime that I'm taking nuts off of something that's hanging, I start on the bottom, leave the one on top last, that way it'll sort of hold it there. What? Go inside. What color? Oh, it's just a black snake, buddy. But that was a good thing to do. Go ahead and go inside. That's a good snake. It's not a bad snake. Exactly what I want you to do when you see a snake. Good job, buddy. Not like that.
Yeah, about like that.
Notice here that the black, the red, and the white are crimped together. So we're going to clip these, and we're going to use some wire nuts to attach all the three of those wires together. So there's our coil of new wires. We're going to deal with the the two wires that have connectors on them. This is a brown with a white stripe and a straight brown.
It's going to come underneath here.
So this capacitor is not in there very well, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull it up and out. And we can drop it back down in. Alright, so one thing I forgot to mention is that capacitors, even if you turn the power off, can hold charge. So take your screwdriver and jump the two contacts together, and that will dissipate any stored energy that are in capacitors. Otherwise, you could get a pretty severe shock, so keep that in mind. Here it is, and we're just going to make sure we plug the new wires into the same spot. Now we got to deal with our red, our white, and our black wires. Go ahead and clip it here. Crimp them. Works. She works. My battery's about to die. I'll put links in the description below for all of this stuff. But this is a Coleman camper air conditioning. Swapped it out and it's working beautifully now. So thanks for watching. As always, get out there and fix something. We'll see you on the next video.